Simulation doesn't have to be limited to engineers with a PhD running around the office in their lab coats. As a designer, you want to know early in the development process whether your design is going to fail. You want to know if your product will function as intended. To put it simply, you just want to know if your part's going to break or not. You want to know if it's going to operate safely. You want to know if the part does deflect, is it within operating tolerance? Let's keep in mind that the real reason that you use Autodesk Fusion 360 is to present you with the information you need to make a more informed decision. And with the simulation results you get with Fusion, that's exactly what you'll get. The simulation workspace inside of Autodesk Fusion 360 has the industry's most robust set of cloud-enabled tools to help you set up complex fixtures, loads, and assembly constraints. Fusion 360 also has an extensive and customizable material library, enabling you to quickly explore alternative materials. Automated mesh settings capture complex geometry with the ability to refine the mesh as needed. Then, once a simulation is solved, a designer can analyze the result plots to make a decision whether the design will meet the design requirements. In this example, a designer was able to ensure that this cast handle for a fireman's nozzle was able to withstand the load put on by a fireman. With Fusion 360's integrated simulation workspace, designers can quickly iterate on designs. As design changes are made, the simulation workspace will automatically reflect the changes. This will allow a designer to test a variety of designs without having to set up the simulation each time a design alternative is explored. Autodesk Fusion 360 is the most comprehensive cloud-based product innovation platform on the market, providing designers the tools they need to make more informed decisions more quickly. Let's go. Visit autodesk.com/Fusion360 and get started today.